31. Check in. Meaning, arrive and register at a hotel or airport. Example, we will get the hotel keys when we check in. 32. Check out. Meaning, leave a hotel. Example, you have to check out of the hotel before 11 o'clock a.m. 33. Check someone or something out. Meaning, let carefully investigate. Example, the company checks out all new employees. 34. Check out someone or something. Meaning, look at, informal. Example, check out the crazy hair on that guy. 35. Cheer up. Meaning, become happier. Example, she cheered up when she heard the good news. 36. Cheer someone up. Meaning, make happier. Example, I brought you some flowers to cheer you up. 37. Chip in. Meaning, help. Example, if everyone chips in, we can get the kitchen painted by noon. 38. Clean something up. Meaning, tidy, clean. Example, please clean up your bedroom before you go outside. 39. Come across something. Meaning, find unexpectedly. Example, I came across these old photos when I was tidying the closet. 40. Come apart. Meaning, separate. Example, the top and bottom come apart if you pull hard enough.